Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kyle with Complete Pressure Solutions. So today we're actually at a return customer's house to take care of their driveway for them, just because it's kind of weird. There's just a couple places like here and over there by the downspouts that always seem to get really dirty quick. So you're gonna see me pre-treat, pressure wash, post-treat. There's a couple little extras that I'm gonna do as well. Since they're return customers, you know, I always try to find little extra things to do for people, pretty much regardless if they're a return customer or not, but just to make people feel appreciated. So these little, I'm not really sure, culvert cover things, whatever they're called, I'm gonna clean those. I'm more than likely gonna end up cleaning some of these pavers around the sidewalk too, mainly just for the sake of uniformity. So I mean, there's that. And there was one other area of concern that they had as well, which was this shed. So it really seems it's just this one side right here that's dirty. There's a little bit of organics on it, but what I'm thinking is going to end up happening is going to be doing some rust removal on it from their sprinkler system. So if that is the case, then I'll do an extra little something on exactly what it is I use for rust removal in that process. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse.